This tutorial covers structure of Java program in general. So let's create a new project, and then Java evidence and Java applications. Project name as it is, Java application 2. You can disable main class because we will create our own class. Here under Java project name, Java application number 2, we will create one Java class. You can name it as a welcome. And then finish. Okay, welcome class comes with two multi-line comments. Let me hide it from text editor. Let me explain about class name convention. By convention, the class name starts with the uppercase letter. Then every program there should be at least one Java class. Okay, next one is what we call as main methods. If you want to launch Java program, you need to have one function in Java we call as a method called main. It starts with the keywords called public static void main string, then arguments. The curly blank refers to opening and closing of main methods. I will explain what it is later on. Then with this main method, you can have a statement to represent instruction of your program. I'm going to simply display welcome to Java. The syntax is system out.println. So it means we are using output device. The method name is println. The message will print it line by line. That's the function name called println. So display welcome to Java with quotation marks. Make sure you have opening and ending quotations or matched quotation marks before W and after A. Okay, let me explain line number 21. Every statement ends with a semicolon to say that we finished the statement. Then I will go through a couple of list of words here. Public class and then public static void. You should be able to see blue characters. That's what we call as a Java list of word. Something you cannot use it. It has a certain meaning to Java compiler. Let me explain in written format here. Okay, line number 16. We have a two list of word. And then line number 19, there are three list of word in blue color. It's always a good idea to put comments to explain for yourself, especially if you are learning Java for the first time. Okay, if you look at two opening and closing curly brackets in yellow color, it has an opening and closing. If you look at the quotation marks here, you also see opening and then closing quotation marks. It's always good to double check, especially at the beginning of learning Java programming or any other programming, to make sure that you don't make a simple syntax mistake. Okay, here line number 24 say enclose a string. String refers to sequence of characters or character values. Consists with multiple characters here called welcome to Java. Okay, once you finish coding, then we can compile Java source code called welcome to Java. Once you compile and run your program, you should be able to see welcome to Java output message on your console. Let me explain where your source code is. It's under My Documents and then NetBeans project under your project name, in this case called Java Application 2. Then it's under the directory called src source. You can look for welcome to Java. Then you can browse to distribution, dist. Then under that directory, you may be able to see welcome.class file. That's how the NetBeans organize your Java project. Okay, that's all. Thank you.